This has actually been quite empowering. While I was doing, when I finished my eye, I had to go upstairs to help my 1-year-old. And my husband said, was like, "You did that?" I was like, "Yes, I did. I did it." It is very empowering. I can't create content a lot just because I don't really understand my makeup and I can't make it look how it needs to be. And always having to wait for a makeup artist is not worth it at the end of the day. So this is going to help me a lot. And I really appreciate your time and your detailed attention that allow me to. This is awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So for me, I'm really excited. I create a lot of content as well. And I remember I had a photo shoot one time and I had to pay someone money to come to my house and to do my makeup. And I'm like, okay, that's good for once in a while, but as much content as I put out there, I can't be constantly paying someone almost $200 to drive to my house to do my makeup. So, and then I wanted to learn how to actually use the product. So this class was so worth it. Like from all the steps, the notes, like I love this. I don't know if you can see it. Definitely gonna go back.
Yes, your face chart with the notes.
Definitely gonna go back to the face chart, everything. Like I try to go online, but it's worth it to actually have an instructor show you step by step. So I love it. It was worth it, and I'm gonna tell all my friends about it.
Yay! Thanks for the win.
I like that it's vegan products as well because
yes,
it's not harmful to our skin.
It's vegan. It's non-toxic. It's amazing for your skin.
Yeah, this has been awesome. Over the years, I collect a lot of makeup and I don't know what to do with them, So this has been fantastic because it's taking me, it can actually take anyone from zero knowledge, as in if you've never held a pencil before or anything to do your makeup, you can actually go from zero to looking fabulous. So this has been awesome for me. I am ready. A lot of times I don't go out because I'm like, oh God, this makeup thing. Right now I am ready to, just go out there.
I love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You look so gorgeous. I'm so happy. I think.
Hey, so for me, this has been an amazing time of learning. I fell in love with Omolewa at the very first commercial or ad that I saw on Instagram where you did the one finger eyeshadow. But to be able to sit with you today and put it all together. And of course, after that, I was able to get a lot of other things and you called me and that was it. We've kind of build on this friendship that we've developed. But today has been really amazing because not only do I have the products, you have taught me today how to use the product and to make sense of it all. Because, I'm sure all of these women have lots of different brands, but we're cluttered. When I started to prepare for this class today, I started cleaning up and throwing things away because I realized I have so much that I'm not going to use because this process has really simplified my routine for me. And I really just love your style of teaching. I love your big, bubbly, effervescent personality. I think it just made it worthwhile. And it was nice meeting the other ladies as well.
Yay, thank you so much. Like it was
Whether it's too nice to stay home.
You're going out, yes. What is it? Outside is calling my name or something. The street is calling my name.
I have thoroughly enjoyed this. I'm going to call it an event. It was more than a workshop. And I loved hanging out with the women. And Irene is super knowledgeable about makeup. And I will forever be obsessed with her lipstick. Thanks.
Into makeup. And like before I wasn't like, doing it properly, or like I just didn't know like what steps to do. And you're watching YouTube videos, but it's not like advanced as this class is. So I feel like now that Miss Irene has helped me to like do it thoroughly through the steps, I feel like I'm better at it now. And I appreciate you for helping me.
For me, this was absolutely what I needed. As being a busy mom and 2 small kids, you really made this so easy to learn and to understand. And the application was amazing. Like even just the little nugget of information about pressing in the makeup versus you know, the swiping that everybody's so used to doing. Like, I will forever, like, that has changed the game for me, at least, for like makeup, in terms of how I apply my makeup. So hats off to you. I completely love you, and this was amazing.
It's Irene, because she took time. I mean, she took time to teach and to go over the details. So now I feel more confident, and yes, I'm just thankful. And I would just recommend anybody who's looking for makeup tutorials to go to Irene, because